Fujian Epos Electric Machinery Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of diesel generator set, alternator, gasoline generator, and electric motor. Power range from 2 kilowatts to 2,000 kilowatts with 20 years experience. Fujian Epos Electric has one manufacturing plant, but 2 enterprises to market same brand E-Mean power together. Our products are widely recognized by our customers. We insist on cooperating with global famous components like Cummins, Perkins, Deutz, Stamford and Leroy Summer, SmartGen, Deep-Sea, Comap, and ABB to ensure generator running in good state, lower emissions, and longer service life. We are implementing ERP Material Source Management System and Lean Production Management System to ensure 97% on-time delivery rate. To meet different customers' demand, our generators have different designs like open type, silent type, trailer type, containerized, and so on. We have professional engineers and workers with rich experience. All our products have 2 years warranty time and with strict European CE standard and ISO 9001. We always take the technology research and development of new products in important position and constantly innovates the production technology. In future, we will focus on low-cost and competitive product to get more value and confident product for our customers.